Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. NumPy is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python, and it provides a wide range of functionalities for working with arrays. One common task is to create duplicate arrays, which can be useful for various purposes such as data augmentation, initialization, or preparing data sets. Duplicating arrays in NumPy. In NumPy, you can duplicate arrays in several ways, depending on your specific needs. 1. Using numpy.copy, this creates a new array that is a copy of the original array. 2. Using numpy.tile, this creates a new array by repeating the original array a specified number of times. 3. Using numpy.repeat, this creates a new array by repeating elements of the original array a specified number of times. Code examples. Let's go through each of these methods with code examples. 1. Using numpy.copy. The numpy.copy function creates a deep copy of the array. Changes made to the new array do not affect the original array. 2. Using numpy.tile. The numpy.tile function constructs an array by repeating the original array. You can specify how many times to repeat the array along each axis. 3. Using numpy.repeat. The numpy.repeat function repeats elements of the array. You can specify how many times each element should be repeated. Summary. Numpy.copy, use this method when you want a complete copy of an array, where changes to the new array do not affect the original. Numpy.tile, use this method when you want to create a larger array by repeating the original array a specific number of times. Numpy.repeat, use this method when you want to repeat each element of the array a specified number of times. These methods provide flexibility based on your use case, whether you need a deep copy, a repeated structure, or repeated elements.